What is employment first? Most people want to have a job, but many people with disabilities have a hard time finding one. When people think of jobs, they most often think of jobs that are in the community, pay at least minimum wage, and may offer some benefits like paid vacation and health insurance. Many people call this kind of work competitive employment. Unfortunately, many people with disabilities are stuck working in facility-based work programs or workshops. Many people don't like working in these places because the pay is low, they are not doing work they enjoy, they don't have choices about the kind of work they do, and there are not pathways to careers or better pay. Sometimes when there's not enough paid work in a facility-based work program, a person might spend time in day programs that focus on leisure and recreation activities. People do not earn money in these programs. Employment First is a different way of thinking about employment, based on the idea that all people with disabilities who want to have a job in their community should have one. Employment First also says that everyone who works should be paid at least minimum wage. When a state adopts Employment First, meaning that it believes that all people with disabilities have a right to work in the community, it needs to take action. That can mean passing new laws, having its governor proclaim that all people have a right to work at a community job, or adopting new state policies that say all people with disabilities have a right to work at a community job. When a state gets serious about making changes, they usually do more than one of these actions. If a state is really serious about Employment First, they may invest more money in services that support people to get jobs in the community. Sometimes Employment First can scare people with disabilities and their families. Please remember that Employment First does not say that people with disabilities have to work at a community job. They can still work at a facility-based program or workshop, or not work at all, if that is what they really want to do.